Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire cash how to withdraw. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Solitaire cash app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and then among the options you'll be seeing an option that says account with the wallet icon. Simply tap on that. Now here what you need to do is select the option that says withdraw, and then once you tap on that, there all you gotta do is enter the withdrawal information, and once you are done with that and selected the amount to withdraw, confirm your payment details and submit the withdrawal request. Withdrawals may take anywhere from few hours to few business days to process depending on the platform's withdrawal policy and payment method. Lastly, wait for the payment to process and then check your balance, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.